Hello everybody, and welcome to another video by Trendi Switch. Today here we have the ART SS29 in silver. Okay, on the back here you'll see our code, the ART SS29 in silver, the 2 for the two-way and the 9 for the intermediate. At the top left hand corner here you'll see our QR code. That, if you scan that, will take you directly to our website and you can see all of our products. Down here is our barcode, which is just the product code. If you flip the package around, in the bottom right hand corner here, you'll see the recycling symbol. Okay, so you know that this package is completely recyclable. Okay, let's take our scissors and let's open it up now. Okay, so this is the packaging that is completely recyclable. Okay, so just throw that in your recycling bin and we'll take a look at the part now. Okay, so we'll give you a quick little 360. Okay, let's take the plate off. Inside every package, you'll get a set of screws that will fit into your pattress box, and you'll also get this instruction leaflet. On the front, it has all of our socials on there, so you can head on over there and give us a like. We greatly appreciate that. If you turn the instructional leaflet around, you'll see here a phone number, so you can contact us that way, email, or live messenger. In the bottom right-hand corner, you'll see another QR code here. Scan that and it'll take you to our instructional page, which will give you all tips and tricks on how to install the switches and sockets. Okay. On the left-hand side here is our two-way, and on the right is our intermediate, which these are all interchangeable as well if you would want. Okay, let's flip it on over to the back. You'll see here at the top that it's BS and CE certified. And the main difference between these two is the two-way on the right has 3 terminals and the three-way on the left has 4 terminals. So if you want to control your light from 3 different locations, you're going to get the intermediate. If you need to control it from 2 locations, you'll get the two-way. Okay, let's take our plate, clip that back on. And if you like videos like that, we try to post some every day. So please give us a like and subscribe. Make sure that bell notification is turned on so you can keep up to everything trendy. And leave us a comment down below for what you'd like us to do next. All right, have a trendy day.